acceptance, the struggle fades. No need to push or resist. What is allowed to simply be reveals a quieter bliss. The moment opens just as it stands, without demand or strain. The heart aligns with something higher, beyond regret or pain. Through contentment, peace is found, a joy that does not sway. No longing for a different time, no wish to turn away. When nothing fights the present truth, the soul begins to rest, and in that calm, a steady light reveals what matters best. No energy is lost to doubt or replaying the past. Attention turns to what is here and holds the moment fast. Clarity grows where trust resides. Each step feels guided, clear. Life moves in quiet harmony when nothing is refused or feared. Through contentment, peace is found, a joy that does not sway. No longing for a different time, no wish to turn away. When nothing fights the present truth, the soul begins to rest, and in that calm, a steady light reveals what matters best. Not passive, still, or unaware, this peace is deeply strong. It walks in step with higher will and knows where it belongs. From this alignment, purpose flows without force or control. A quiet bliss begins to rise and settles in the soul. In contentment, the heart aligns with what is always true. No outer change is required for joy to come into view. Here peace becomes a living state, unmoved by rise or fall. A steady joy, a grounded calm that gently holds it all. Settled, open, at